Hi friends. Normally, when you do trading in the stock market, so we follow many strategies. So which strategy is perfect? How you will understand that strategy is going to work for forever? So that is the question. Okay. So many of us use support resistance, many of us use support trend, many of us use many other indicators. Okay. There are so many indicators. So it is very difficult to apply all the rules all the day. Okay. So now, when you do, let's assume you have some strategy like super trend EMA strategy or RSA strategy. So whether that strategy will be successful for all the time or not, how to confirm that? Okay. For that, what you need to do, whatever the idea you have, so that we need to put it in a piece of paper and create a strategy in Algo. Then we need to do the backtest. Okay. So now I have done something which I teach in my classes. Based on that only, I have built a strategy. So let me show you how that works. Okay. See, strategy building is not a easy task. It's a tough task. Okay. So now I have done this testing for the bank Nifty. Okay. Futures. Okay. So 3 minute time frame I have taken. So whenever the price action happens above, whenever the bank Nifty crosses above particular level, like this GAN level, I say. Okay. So whenever price crosses here, if my Mind Pro indicator also giving the buy or sell signal, accordingly it should trade. Then if RSI also above 60, then it should trade. Otherwise, it should not trade. So all these rules I have added. So based on that, there is no trade here. Okay. If you see, there is no trade here. And if you see here, there is a long entry and stop loss hit. Okay. What was the stop loss here? You see here. So around about 70 point. Okay. 70 point stop loss hit. Then after that, it took an entry over here. Okay. So that was on Wednesday 70. Okay. From here to here, it went up to 84 points. So no profit, no loss day kind of thing. Okay. And there was no trade again entire day. And next day, I think same day, so it took one more entry at 45 degree and exited over here. So it captured some profit. So next day you see long entry, long exit, buy entry, buy exit, so on. Okay, you see here. Sell entry, sell it. This has given a good profit here. You see here, from here to here, it has given a good profit, 104 points. Okay. Again, you see it has given the profit. Okay, now you see there is a short entry. Yesterday you saw whatever the reversal happened, immediately exited short and took the long. Okay, so this is how the algo works actually. Now this is on based on the time frame of 3 minutes. If I keep the time frame of 1 minute, okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so it will take time to analyze. Okay, so 1 minute entire day, what you have, how it would have traded. Okay, so now you see the short entry here in the first candle itself, then short exit, then short entry, short exit, and this is a Mind Pro short entry and Mind Pro flip happened. So that is BH and SH might have came, exited, then long entry and the flip, Mind Pro flip actually. So based on 1 minute time frame, exited and again long entry, long exit. Short entry took over here and reversal, sudden reversal, it took away all your profit. Hence, in Algo, what you need to do, you need to keep certain target for the day and you should stop the trading. Okay. And you see here previous day, it has taken entry here 960 and exited here. Okay, 920. So based on certain points target I have kept here. So it might have exited at 81 point. Okay. So if I remove the target here, okay. So let's see the performance here first of all. Okay, before doing anything, 365 days if I used for 1 minute time frame, what would have happened? So what was the result? So that deep back testing, if you do in trading view in futures, so what is the result we'll see here? Let's update. It will take time actually. I will do for 90 days. Okay. So 90 days will be easy for us. 1 minute time frame, it will normally take time. So okay, so this has given 2,15,000 profit, 42,000 is the drawdown, and 52% profitable trades and 1.27 profit factor, okay, in 1 minute time frame. If I keep the same thing in 3 minute time frame, okay, just use the RSI as an added thing, 287, 58%. Drawdown is 25,000. Max drawdown. It is a delivery based trading, so still 58%. Okay. Now let's do it for intraday. Okay. So let's do it for intraday. Okay. So intraday, if you have traded, so what would have happened in 3 minute time frame, keeping 80 points target in Bank Nifty future? Okay. So what would have happened? Okay. Update the report. You see 1,85,000 is the and 57%. 1.41 is the profit factor. So in this scenario, what you need to do, you need to do bull call, a bear put spread kind of thing, so that the loss will be minimized. Okay, now this is on 3 minute time frame. So now what I am going to do now, so I am going to do minor changes here. Okay, what I will do, oh sorry, my mistake. I have used Nifty. I have to use Bank Nifty. Okay, let's see. So Bank Nifty, what happens? Because daily support resistance will be different for Bank Nifty. So 1,69,000. Okay, not much difference, but 1,69,000 with 57% win ratio. What I will do, I will remove the ADX here. Okay, so I have added ADX to avoid the sideway market. Then what I will also do, I will also remove the RSI. Okay, so RSI also I will remove. ADX I removed, I will remove the RSI. Okay, so, okay, let's see what happens in 3 minute time frame. Okay, intraday. If I remove RSI, ADX, it's 2,81,000, 53% success ratio, but still it's better than the with RSI and ADX. Okay, so this is for 90 days back testing. If I do the same thing for okay, 3 minute, let's keep 3 minute only. I will do one more change here. So what I will do here, I will change the target. Okay, trailing stop loss is here now. So what I will do, I will keep this stop loss as 50 points and trailing stop loss also as 60 points. Okay, let's check this. Now you see the number of trades might have increased, and 3,12,000 is the profit, 42% is the win ratio, and how it would have performed. You see a lot of entries, exit, buy entry, buy exit, buy entry, buy exit kind of setup happened. Now to filter it out, okay, so I will use an RSI now. Okay, to 21 length, 60, 40 RSI. So let's see how it is going to work now. Now you see buy entry, buy entry, buy exit, unnecessary trades, it avoided. Now the profit ratio, 97,000 rupees only, 42% success and 1.25 profitable factor. Okay, now one more thing what we can do here. So instead of 21, I will keep only 10. Okay, and okay, so we'll see all pros and cons, how we can optimize the algo. Okay, so again 42%, 41%. So number of trades are high. Again, entry exit due to small stop loss. It is exiting early and taking an entry. So what we need to do for that to avoid, I can change this to 150 points as a stop loss point. Anyway, it exits due to S and H, B and H. I will keep only 60-point target. Okay. So I want to avoid unnecessary trades. Okay. So let's see what happens. If I do so, the result will be 60% win ratio and 2,07,000 is the PNL. Okay. 1.31 is the profit factor. If I change this 3 minute to 1 minute, okay. If I change 3 minute to 1 minute, now you see it is 55%, 1,56,000. So drawdown is less. And if you want to see the performance, okay, so what I can do here, I will go down here and show, okay. Total 928 trades, 515 winner, 411 loser, maximum loss, maximum profit, that we can check here, run up. Okay, so average run up close to close 18,000 rupees, maximum run up 39,000. Okay, so capital efficiency overview. We'll see overview. What is the maximum drawdown and what is the maximum profit? Okay, so trade analysis details. Okay, we'll see this now. In this, average PNL 169 rupees, percentage profit, average profit 2,004, average loss 2,600, largest profit 16,000, largest loss 4,650. Okay. So this is very important. In worst case scenario, you might lose this much, and worst case scenario, best case scenario, you can get this much of return also. So total P&L this much in the time frame of 1 minute as per the indicator. So now if I change this to 5 minute, okay. So 3 minute we have done, 5 minute I am going to do now. Okay. So what happens? Again an intraday, 5 minute time frame. We'll do deep test, deep back test. Now you see 68% win ratio and 1.86 is the profit factor. Drawdown is very less and 3,71,000 is the profit. Okay. Now if I deep dive into this analysis, if I click on returns here, okay. So you will come to know the CAGR, run up, all those details you see here. Trade analysis details. Okay, so maximum profit is 18,000, maximum loss is 6,000 rupees. And average loss is 3,690, average profit is 3,090. So you need to create a bull call spread, a bear put spread. Whereas because 68% is the win ratio and this is the success ratio. Okay, now what I can do now, I will do one more thing in this. Okay, so I have added the RSI, correct? So let's add ADX also. Let's add MACD also. Okay. MACD I will add in 10-minute time frame. Click on OK. Okay. So now you see the result. If any difference is there, you tell me. Okay. So this is only after MACD, after RSI, after ADX. This is the scenario. Okay. Now what I need to remove now? So I need to remove MACD and let's keep only ADX. Okay. So 66%. Okay. 1.77. So like this, we need to optimize each and every algo. Okay. So hope you understood how much hard work is involved in creating an algo. Okay. So now the Mind Pro indicator chart time frame I have used. Okay. So target I kept 60 points only. So instead of this, I will keep 120 point target and I will keep 150. Instead of that, I'll keep 250 and this one I keep 300. Okay. And that's it. Okay. We will see what happens now. Okay. Update the report. Same setup, only configuration we are changing. You see the percentage is okay, but the profit came down. Okay. Because some profitable trades getting into losing trades due to this thing. Okay. Due to higher target, which I have kept. And let's assume that I'm not keeping a stop loss because as it is exiting only based on the ADX also I will remove. So I have kept, I think, RSI correct. Yeah, okay. Let it be RSI will be there to avoid sideway market. Now what I will do now? So I will remove. Uh, anyway, stop loss is there. Everything is there. Target is there. So I will keep stop loss. I don't keep. I will keep 80 point target. Okay. So let's see what happens. As soon as bank Nifty reaches 80 point, it should book the profit and stop the trading. Okay. So once it does that, so 68% and 3,84,000. Okay. So 1.78 is the profit factor. Okay. If you do proper analysis, deep dive analysis, what you can say, returns you see here, the maximum loss, what would have happened, and what would have be the uh, worst case scenario. Okay. You see here, average loss 4,478, average profit 3,684. Largest profit is 30,000 rupees and the largest loss is 7,500 rupees. Okay. So one worst trade might have taken your profit, that is 7,500, but maximum profit also there. Okay. Largest profit also there. Okay. This is on uh, certain setup which we have done on higher time frame. You see the graph here. Okay. So for this also we can make a bull call spread so that most of the losses we can cover in if it turns fast, reverses fast. So now same thing I will do again in 3 minute time frame with the same setup. Let's see what happens. Okay. So if you keep 10 minute, 15 minute, I don't think it will work. Okay. So that is the reason because nowadays market is very choppy and the smaller time frame is better. I'm using RM GAN indicator plus Mind Pro indicator, which I told you to follow. Okay. So it's taking time. 3 minutes. Okay. Let's wait to get the report because it is doing the back test. 90 days only we are not doing for 365 days. Okay. We can do entire history also. Let's make it short 30 days. We'll see. Yeah. 30 days, 55%. Okay. So 90 days, 56%. Okay. In 3 minute time frame. And if I do entire history in 3 minute time frame, whatever the history available, okay, this is very important profit factor. Okay. Entire history, if I do, what happens? We'll see that. Worst case scenario, best case scenario, we can do by doing this kind of back test. You see the performance here. For complete history, it will take time. So you need to wait to get the proper report. Yeah. So something went wrong. Okay. Report is showing something 3083. Okay, again, I think it is not able to calculate the complete thing. So I will use 10 minute time frame. Okay, let's see what happens in 10 minute time frame. Because smaller time frame, you won't get a proper report. I will use 10 minute time frame for the 1 year. That is 2000 till 2026. It shows total whatever the history available. Okay. or we'll use 365 days because it will take a lot of time. So based on this, you see the performance, fantastic performance, 65% profitable trade. Okay. So 10 lakh is the ROI, 1.84. Okay. So this is the backtesting report. Okay. So worst case scenario, best case scenario, everything is mentioned here. Okay. So gross loss, gross profit. Okay. And trade analysis details, if you see average PNL, average profit, average loss. Okay. And maximum profit, maximum loss. This is due to, I think, carry forward positions because we are using in 10-minute time frame. We need to do some setting here. Okay, so we need to do for intraday closure. So we need to use this 15, 15, 15, 15, and this you need to end at 15 o'clock. Okay, so that will help you to get the exact result. Time frame. Okay, so now you saw. Now it is a perfect one, 62%. And this is the result. Okay, so let's see returns. Okay, so trade analysis details, average profit, average loss. Okay, so this is the largest profit, largest loss. Okay, so one worst case scenario. Okay, so this is how the algo backtesting need to be done. And after that only we will go for paper trading, then live trading. Okay. So now based on these parameters, so what I am going to do, I am going to deploy one algo on 5-minute time frame. Okay, not on 10-minute time frame because people don't have that kind of patience. Okay. So 5-minute time frame, how it will take the trade, I'll show. You see, buy entry. Okay, so buy exit and again buy entry, buy close. This is in 5-minute time frame. See, if I want to avoid this, okay, so what I need to do? I need to do some setting here. Okay, what is that setting? RSI, I will do 14. Okay, and ADX, I will not use. ADX, I will not use. Okay, so let's see what else I can do. Yeah, stop loss, I need to keep 100 points, target 80 points. Or, yeah, because normally 100 points movement comes in the bank nifty. Okay. Now target trailing stop loss will keep around about 60 points. Okay. So 60 point you can keep more also. Let's see what happens. You see this, there is an entry and buy exit happened. See here, buy exit happened due to the stop loss. Buy entry came, buy exit happened. Again, two stop loss hit. Then buy entry, buy exit. So like this. This is the problem of keeping the stop loss and the target. Okay. So if I don't keep any stop loss and target here, and I do all these settings in the TradeTron. Okay. So I will show you what happens. Okay. I will not do any stop loss target over here. Okay. I will remove all the stop loss and target. Okay. So 1000, 600. Okay. Now you see what happens. Here the buy entry has taken in 5-minute time frame at 9:15 candle where it is going to exit. So from here it exited here. What I will do, I will keep TSL in options for 60 points. I would have achieved this target. Okay. Again, I would have achieved the profit. So that is the difference between keeping stop loss and not keeping the stop loss. Okay. Now you see here, again 142 points, unnecessary trades are avoided. Okay. Only you need to have a patience. Okay. So sell entry, sell exit immediately. Buy entry, ended in profit. Okay. So in 5-minute time frame, see buy entry, stop loss hit, no reverse entry taken here. Okay. It would have taken short entry, but not taken. If it is in 3-minute time frame, okay, so it would have worked differently. So hence I reduce the time frame with the proper setup. See now sell entry, sell close, buy entry, buy close, buy entry, buy close, Okay, so now you see. So there, like this, many settings we need to do. We need to understand how exactly we need to, check the backtesting report of the algo. Okay, so after this only we'll be able to decide whether this algo is good or not. You see here, sell entry taken here, so much of top loss. So this is not going to work. Okay, so hence we need to do proper testing and analysis before going for the live. Okay, so MACD if you want you can use. Then okay, so ADX also if you want you can use. Avoid sideways trading. Okay, so like this. You do so, sell entry which is taken here, not it has not taken any trade. Directly buy entry, buy exit, buy entry, buy exit. Okay. This is Mind Pro clip. Okay. So there is no trades here. You see short entry, short exit. Okay. So all these things. Okay. So you can avoid many sideways market trading with this kind of setup. If I use 1 minute time frame, whether this will be a successful setting or not, we'll see. So what would have happened yesterday in 1 minute time frame? Okay, so short entry, short exit, short entry, short exit. See, so this is the problem if you use too many indicators. Okay, hence I don't use RSI, I don't use MACD, I don't use ADX. Okay, so leave it. Just follow the one setup. Don't keep stop loss and target. That's it. If that is the case, this is the sell, this is the profit booking, this is the buy, this is the profit booking. So now tell me what works exactly, which is the best setup. Now you see the profit ratio might be less here, but I will be winning bigger profits. I will be making bigger money comparing to other trades. So this is what I wanted to convey you. What happens if you try to keep stop loss and target in algo trading. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video.